This is Censused, your blog for fast Middle East war news. The Israeli military attacked a government official in Tehran. In response, Iran mocked the United States and Israel, saying that the missile bases attacked by Israel or the United States were either evacuated or empty. This is Tehran. Israel carried out an airstrike targeting the area where Iran was holding a meeting to elect its supreme leader. This is Maravan, Iran. There was a large-scale airstrike in Maravan, and the city was left in ruins. This is Isfahan, Iran. In the Isfahan industrial complex, the Israeli military and the US military jointly carried out a large-scale airstrike. This is Tehran. This is the spokesperson for the Iranian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Currently, the Iranian government buildings have been destroyed, so the spokesperson for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is holding a press conference at an elementary school. Iran continues to show no interest in negotiations. This is the Bushehr naval base in Iran. The Israeli military carried out an airstrike on the Bushehr naval base. The Israeli military eliminated the commander of the Quds Forces Lebanon Corps, and then Iran launched missiles towards central Israel. US Central Command reports Iran is using TLs to launch missile attacks. This is Moshe from Israel. Hezbollah destroyed a building with a rocket attack. The Israeli military is attacking Iran's missile systems. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps of Iran said they will respond quickly and decisively to any hostile groups inside or against their country. At the same time, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps of Iran attacked groups opposing the Iranian government in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. In northern Iraq, a drone attack on a US military base was reported. The UAE has so far launched 186 missiles and 812 drones. Of these, 172 were destroyed. 13 fell into the sea, and out of the 812 Iranian drones, 755 were intercepted. Currently, Cheonggung from Korea plays a major role, while in the UAE, Iranian attacks heavily damaged oil storage facilities. The new Minister of Defense, Majid Ibn Reza, was killed just 2 days after taking office due to an Israeli military attack. Iran stated that they were not responsible for the attack on Oman. The Iranian president, Masoud Pezeshkian, delegated the central government's authority to each region. President Trump stated that Iran wants to talk, but it's already too late. The UAE said it does not want to escalate the conflict and doubts a military solution will bring stability. It also emphasized that Iran's attack on its grain storage was a red line threatening national food security. The UAE announced that it has established dedicated air corridors in cooperation with neighboring countries for safe emergency management. According to Israeli military assessments, there is news that Saudi Arabia may soon join the conflict against Iran. Production at Iraq's largest oil field, Rumaila, has stopped due to export disruptions from rising Middle East military tensions. Shafaq News reported on Tuesday, citing local sources. One source told Shafaq News Agency that due to export disruptions, production at all wells in the oil field has been completely halted, storage levels have increased, and the tanks are full. According to the IAEA, a building at the underground entrance of Iran's Natanz nuclear fuel enrichment facility was recently damaged, but there was no radioactive contamination. If there is more news, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you.